Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be looking at how to pair your Airdopes 421 twin wireless earbuds to your smartphone or tablet. To begin with, confirm that your smartphone or tablet has its Bluetooth turned on, as you can see over here. Now, the Airdopes 421 come with the Insta Wake and Pair technology where to connect them to your device, all you need to do is open the charging case. When you do, and if you scan for the device at that point, you can see that they are ready and available to pair. Simply tap and confirm pairing. And your Airdopes 421 are paired and ready to go. As you can see, 80% battery, AC connection, we're good to go. To use the devices, simply take them out, use them. To disconnect, touch the capacitive touch controls at the back of the earbuds for 3 seconds until they power off and disconnect from your device. Place them back into the case and you're good to go. Both the earbuds in the Airdopes 421 twin wireless earbuds headset can be connected in mono mode as well. To connect them in mono mode, simply open the carry case, take out the earbud that you wish to connect, press and hold the capacitive touch control at the back for 3 seconds until the LED starts flashing light blue. Till the LED starts flashing light blue like that. Scan for the device. As you can see, it's available. Tap pair and confirm. And now your earbud is ready to use in mono mode. To connect both earbuds in stereo mode, simply take out the other earbud as well. The earbuds will connect to each other automatically and you will switch from mono mode to stereo mode automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching.